Hi creators, my name is Kat. Welcome back to the Benteh STEAM Academy. Today we're creating our fun snow globes for students to decorate their classrooms and homes this holiday season. In addition to the items in your kit, you'll need to do some designing in Tinkercad. So let's begin there. Once you see the base, it's time to add some holiday figures to your snow globe. Each student can create their own scene. Just make sure all of the items fit inside the dome of the globe. I'm starting with a cylinder and sizing it down, then using a cone to add a few small pine trees. For the second tree, I want to make it look a little smaller. I am going to add a larger cone on top of the cylinder to create a larger tree, and then align the two shapes together. Off to the side, I'm going to create another element for my scene. I took several spheres and adjusted their sizes and heights off the work plane. Then I added a very flat cylinder and a tall and narrow cylinder and raised them off the build plane too. To make fine adjustments, I used the zoom tool. Then I selected all the shapes, and using the align tool on the X and Y axes, a snowman appears. I went back to make some small adjustments before creating a group with all of the snowman shapes. Then I resized the snowman. Oops, I'll undo that resize. I want to hold shift and resize so it scales down together. Then I can move it into my scene. Finally, I selected all of my shapes and created a group, and then changed the title of my file before exporting. After you finish printing, let's gather the rest of the materials that you're going to need. The kit included a small, clear bowl, the confetti snow, and glue. You may customize your snow globes any way you'd like. Let's start by taking the clear bowl and setting it on the table. Take a small amount of the confetti snow and place it inside. Put a thin layer of glue inside the rim of the base. Any extra glue should be wiped off. Carefully flip your base upside down onto the clear bowl. It might be a good idea to add a weighted item on top to ensure that it sets. After the glue dries, check it out. You've created your very own snow globe. Thanks for joining me at the Alaska STEAM Hub for our activity kit of the month. We want to see your designs, so share them in the comments below. If you want to see more content like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in another video soon. Happy holidays, and as always, keep creating.